Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my video. This is assignment for interviewing our friends. So I'm gonna use the theme of the impact of globalization on local culture. So we have our friend here from UPB English Group 24. Can you introduce yourself?
Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Desi Madina.
From what faculty and what major?
My faculty is Tarbiyah and my major is English Education Department.
So, have you done local cultural activities?
Maybe I have done dancing or just wearing sesilangan.
So, from your opinion, what does globalization mean?
From my opinion, globalization is process of
Spreading, menyebarkan.
yes no enter other culture to our
Local.
local or just process of economic, political, and has a significant impact.
Have you do you feel the impact of globalization yourself?
Of course, I feel the impact. Like technology are one of the globalization, right?
Yeah. So we're gonna enter the main discussion now. So, how do you think globalization has influenced our local culture in our country or our classes community?
Globalization has brought significant changes to local culture in my country. My many local traditions and practices are influenced by global culture, whether through social media or technology or anything else.
So, can you give me an example of a traditional custom or practice that has been changed due to globalization?
One example is the change in the celebration of traditional holidays. Many local traditions are influenced by Western culture, like New Year's celebration,
Uh,
which
for,
that is adopted by other
Country.
culture
yeah,
of another country.
yeah. So, you say that we formerly don't have New Year's celebration, right?
Yes.
So, this is from your perspective. What do you do in New Year's Eve?
I don't have anything to do.
Like, what do you do to celebrate the New Year? Like, do you go shopping or do you
Yes.
travel or you do some local searching?
Maybe I go travel or no, I go shopping because
Yeah, there's a lot
when
of
New
discount.
Year's, yeah, there's a lot of discount. I like it.
Uh, so, uh, and for next question, what role do social media and technology play in spreading globalization?
Social media and other technology play a major role in spreading global culture. Uh, Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube allow people around the world to share and access other global, other
Other culture, right?
other culture.
Uh, so have you watched any local culture from other countries or from other prefecture in those platform that you say?
Yes, I see like some rituals from other countries that maybe there are some rituals that go viral. Then I see that.
Uh, so you have watched, right? Some of our culture are going international right now.
Yes.
So, what do you think about Indonesian traditional song like Jam Koram? Not Ram, Jam Koram, bro. It's Gundul Gundul Pacul, sing at Japanese Expo 2025 in Japan.
What's my opinion?
Yeah, what's your opinion?
Uh,
Or have you watched that video?
no, I haven't watched. I haven't watched it.
What's your opinion about our
That's
culture going international?
that's I can I feel proud of it because that big
That's a big leap, right?
yes that's a big that's amazing.
So, do you think that most of the globalization that's happening right now is because internet?
Yes, because because with because by internet we can access everything, so we can watch another culture, and some people maybe want to be like that, so they try to do that what they see, what other culture they see.
So, you're saying that it's happening really fast, the spreading of information, right?
Yes.
Do you think that fast of spreading information is good or bad?
Okay. I think there are positive impact and negative impact. Like the positive impacts are maybe we we know we have a new knowledge, and we can see what we haven't seen.
Yeah,
And the negative impacts maybe like
misspray.
children. Huh?
Yeah. The children.
Children maybe do maybe will do what they see in their
Yeah.
phone, and they don't think that is bad or good, they just do it. That's a
Uh,
negative impact.
so, who do you think has more important role in preserving our local culture?
Maybe it's the family. The
Yeah.
family are exactly the parents. The parents have to teach uh, their
Child.
their child their child about our traditional culture, our cool culture, so the children can do that and know about that.
So do you have any exclusive tradition to your, well, to where you from? From where you from?
My local culture
Yeah, that's exclusive there.
exclusive in my
Or have you do it a lot in your home?
no, I don't think I have the culture that I will do it like I will do it again and again,
Uh,
or maybe I just don't know about it.
okay. So, do you think there are any cultural elements that have successfully adapted to globalization without losing their originality?
Um, Maybe it is dancing. Maybe we can do the globalization is enter in some dances, and the dances who don't lose their original.
So, have you watched the competition for when our people, oh, for when Dayak people dance in what it's called? I think it's London. There's competition there for the traditional dance,
Oh
and
yes,
they practice it there. They do it
Dayak,
there.
Dayak.
Yeah, Dayak.
I haven't seen that, but I will see that.
Yeah, you haven't watched that. Okay. So, what do you think? What do you think that we can do, or a lot of people do to preserve our culture?
We have to do the do our traditional culture and get people to know it, so it 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 won't be gone. It will.
100%, it will be preserved, right?
Yes.
Have you joined any community that focus on socializing local culture?
I haven't, because I don't know.
But
I
have you seen one like in Siring? No.
uh, do you mean like pasar terapung?
Yeah.
But an organization.
Like uh, there's some community there that preserve our local our local game. Have you seen that?
No, I haven't. I haven't.
Oh, it's like this. Have you seen Kai Api?
What?
Kai Api. Do you know that? Do
No,
you
no,
know
no,
him?
no, I don't. I don't know. Eh, I know. I have. I ever heard that, but I
You
haven't
haven't seen him.
seen that. I haven't seen him.
Yeah, he already died.
Oh,
Yeah, he already died.
so you have seen him
So I have seen him.
many times?
Every time that I go to Siring, between I think he starts his performance at 6 to 10. I think.
That how many times in a week? He will show.
I think it's in the weekend for
Just
Saturday or Sunday, Saturday night or Sunday night.
once a week.
I think
Once.
twice or 3 times a week.
Oh yeah.
Do you have any? Have you watched any of his video?
Office.
Yeah, some people document him while
Oh.
while he's still doing performance.
No, I haven't. I haven't.
Yeah, you need to see him.
Yes, I
really
have
cool.
to see him after this.
So, in conclusion, preserving our community or local culture is really important,
Yes.
and we can do something like socializing it, or teaching our younger generation to preserve it, or just tell them to do it, because that will preserve our culture. So that's it for today's interview. Thank you for watching. See you next video.